This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group property video is presented by Randy Spiesman. Located on one of the largest lots in the development, privately situated at northwest corner, is this 3-bedroom 2-bath home. New tasteful laminate flooring throughout most of the home, very open floor plan, ceiling fans in almost every room. Primary bedroom has its own bathroom. New windows in primary bedroom. Other bedrooms have new floors, one has a magnetic chalkboard. Roof about 10 years old, hot water heater 3 years, furnace only 7 years. The range is gas propane. And this home has central air. The new lot rent will be $1,015 per month, but there are no taxes, garbage is included, and because location is end of road, driveway gets plowed. Easy access to Kingston, Poughkeepsie and train station to NY, as well as New Paltz. This is a steal, as it is hard to find this kind of pricing in Ulster County. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Spiesman at 845-616-4638.